Hey, over my way. We are maximum day. You know, a little motivation to go in on my day off, because child, trust and believe, I be wanting to stay in. But the feeling is definitely different when I see that paycheck. So I'll be forcing myself to go in. So, yep, I'm going into work. I love this wig. Okay, what I've been doing, twirling some of them to get that that coil effect. Y'all hear that? Oh, I need some more mousse. Okay, so yeah, it's Labor Day weekend and there's a lot going on this weekend. So I'm just like, I'm gonna start the vlog off like this. Me getting ready for work. After me working today, I'm not going back to work until Tuesday when I get off in the morning. So yeah, off on Monday. Thank God. This is the first day I've been off on my job on Labor Day, like fully off. Normally we go in the night, like we go in after the whole festivities is done. Like this year, I guess they decided to give us off finally, and I'm here for it. Yeah, so I have a party tomorrow, and then Monday is Labor Day. All right, so I'm trying to fix my baby here. See you guys outside on the flip side. I got some sugar cane here, mango, coconut, all the good stuff. Guinness. How much is the Guinness? Huh? I have one. Pineapple. Hi. I know they're sweet.
Let's see the Guinness.
Huh? Here. There's some sugar cane. I wish I had sugar cane chopped up. That's what I should have got. I don't know why I got that. Let the barricades out for Labor Day for the parade. The jerkin. Actually going over there. That's where I'm going. Bath in that alkaline, baby.
Just got our 100,000 subscribers.
How much are you trying to make? I'm back home from work. What's today? Today's the 2nd. 31st. They're only 2 days old. But let's see how it tastes. It tastes fine. So it is September 2nd, 5:54 a.m. I did 9 hours. No, put a little oomph on my trip. Trust me. Trust me, it shows. Yeah, so it's a big weekend now. We outside. We're outside this weekend. Not for the whole weekend though. I need to rest. But we're outside today because I have a party. The party I'm going to later on. Yeah, Kranium was gonna be there, but I saw Kranium before, so it's not even about Kranium. It's Labor Day weekend and I need to enjoy the festivities. And oh, you hear that? And that's the vibe for today. I'm gonna get at least 6 hours of sleep. So I'm gonna get my outfit together and do all that good stuff. So I said in one of the vlogs I was saying y'all that I lost my AirPod. Yeah, I think it's my dad's birthday vlog because it was that same day. That same weekend I lost my AirPod. So yeah, I lost my AirPods in the Uber. So I had one ear in. I had the right AirPod in. And the case and the left ear was... I thought I put it in my bag, but I didn't put it in my bag. Yeah, so I didn't notice that the AirPod fell or anything until I got home. And I'm looking for it and I couldn't find it. And I called the Uber guy all that stuff. They didn't answer. So, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna go to the Apple store and get me another one. Like, but get the one I want with the volume control. 3 weeks went by, I didn't get it, and I'm like, let me go on Amazon. Let me go on Amazon real quick and see what Amazon got for me before I go buy no Apple AirPods. Because I'm going to change my phone and all that stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I was thinking like, I'm going to just wait until Black Friday or wait until I change my phone. So let me go on Amazon to get something to use in the meantime. I got these. They're not Apple, but they're pros. And baby, these are, they're so loud. I be having one in at work. They're so loud. Like, sometimes I don't have it all the way up, but sometimes I do, depending on the song that's playing. Y'all know that. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know, when that's your song and you're trying to, like, vibe out. Yeah, I had this on blast. I had it on blast, and people was calling me, and I could not hear them. I couldn't hear. I couldn't hear nobody calling me. One AirPod. So imagine two. Imagine both of them in your ear. I paid $30 for these. I'm gonna link them in the description. I paid $30 for them. So if you're looking for little cheap little AirPods, that they work. Trust me, they work. So these are the AirPods. It has the charging. So since it was the right ear I had in the whole night, so the right ear is charging right now. Look, that's how they look. They look just like the AirPod Pros, the Apple Pros. Only difference is this silver lining thing at the side, but you tap here, right there, to turn the volume all the way up. For $30, they're very loud. They are mad loud. For that price, yeah. So I'm gonna link them in the description just in case anybody wants some little cheap AirPods or some AirPods that are not Apple that you want to use in the meantime or whatever, or you just need one. I'm gonna link them in the description. They also have black. Since I got the white, I'm like, is there a case for the case? But I guess I'm just gonna have to keep it in something so it doesn't get dirty. I have some packages. I don't think I'm gonna open all of them now. I don't know. But I know I bought some shades for today. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear those shades today. But I'm gonna show y'all my shades. I bought these shades for today. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I was like, let me get some green shades just in case. But oh, they come in this. These are cute. Let's see, should I try them on now? Let's take the. That's how they look. They're really cute. So these are the square glasses. Look at them. They're from Amazon. Aren't they cute? They're real cute. They're kind of tight though. I didn't expect them to be so like close. Damn. Why the lens so like tight? I'm scared I'm gonna break it. It's kind of tight. It's kind of close. Let's see if I could. Ciao. Ooh. They're cute. Kind of big, but they're cute. But yeah, I got these. I thought the lens was darker. I don't know. They're kind of like clear. Like they're not really shades. They're just for the glasses, I guess. I don't know what else I ordered. I don't know what this is. Honestly, don't remember what I ordered. I don't remember when I ordered. Oh, the ice trays that I bought, like the circle ones, like the ball ones. I'll put in the string. So yeah, I bought these because I've been want different ice trays. They're more aesthetically pleasing. So I said I'm gonna try them out, and yeah, and they're shorter. So I think this is two packs. Yeah, so these are ice trays. I was like, I think I have something else. I have another package here. I don't even know what it is. So let's see what it is. I don't know. Oh, this is a jump rope. I ordered a jump rope because this about to get on her Gemini. Okay. It definitely helped. It definitely helped. If you're trying to lose weight or lose some pounds, get a jump rope. If you don't have time to go to the gym, this is your best bet. I'm telling you. Put that waist trainer on, and then exercise with the skipping rope. I'm telling you, you definitely lose some pounds. They worked for me before, and I know it would work again. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna buy another one because it worked. It definitely worked for me. So yeah, that's it for this portion of the vlog. I will see you guys later on. I hope wherever y'all at, y'all turn up for the weekend. You got one life to live. Make sure y'all turn it up for the weekend. Enjoy yourselves and be safe, of course. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So it's 5:30, the same day, 12:31 now. I'm dressed sort of pretty, but I have a little dilemma. I don't know what I should wear. I don't know if I should wear sandals or I should wear sneakers. Yeah, guys, this is the outfit. I have on this green, this lime green and black jersey looking top that I got from Rainbow. This pleated skirt, black and white pleated skirt that I also got from Rainbow, and my Gemini necklace. So I'm trying to see what to wear it with. My black and white Kate Spades or my black Huaraches. That's a dilemma I have right now. I'm gonna put on my Jimmy Choo for the first time. So, oh my god. Ooh, smells so good. Oh, smells so good. I'm trying to think, should I pair it with my Tory Burch? Should I just put my Tory Burch? This thing done, child. Look at this. This ain't got nothing in there. I'll probably pair it. Not me finishing that off. But yeah, the Jimmy Choo smells so good. Both of them, the Tory Burch smell good too. So together, I'm gonna see. See how much compliments I get tonight. And now to decide, sandals or sneakers. But I'm pretty much ready to order so far. Like this today. Put these straps inside. But I'm not gonna take pictures with this so far. I'm not, because this is way off. I have these white shades. Oh, they look so good. So I'm taking pictures in these shades, definitely. Definitely taking some pics. Okay. Definitely taking some pics in these. And these are probably like $5. So, yeah. The plan with the outfit. So, I'm about to head out. I'm about to finish getting ready and head out. But yeah, see y'all later.
Top bodies. Oh, you stuck up in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and in a telebody. Buy a couple jars and a couple roasties. The girl in the city, she not have syphilis. Move ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, which is up on this. Short in every time, make your life span this. You got the curves in the waist. Pretty for you.
All my out-of-towners, all my New York City people, we gonna get together right now. DJ about to get each other mic. If you want to sell some people that you like somebody say yeah. Baby, that's a project, you know what I mean.
as y'all saw, the party was lit. It was lit. Kranium was lit. Fabulous was lit. But I'm about to go home now. That's it for this video. That'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.